Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off group notes by date on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Notes app. Then go to the folder that has the notes. In here, tap on the Option key at the top. And then we go down and tap on Group by Date in the menu. Now it will open up another sub-menu. In here you can select on or off. If you don't want to group by date, you can tap on off, and that will show all your notes in one list. Otherwise, if you want to group them by date, you can tap on the default or on. And that's it. Now you can see the note will group by today, previous 7 days, previous 30 days, and so on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.